Welcome to the Kustom Life Vlog. My name is Frank, and on this channel we take you to car shows all over the country, and in this video we are heading to Jennings, Louisiana for the Last Resort show. But first, we're here at Buc-ee's. We got to grab some breakfast, and while I'm grabbing some breakfast, check out this little stuff that we did to the Titan. It's hot in here. It's October. It's like 81 degrees. Seems hotter though. All right, so we are 2 weeks away from heading out to Louisiana for the Last Resort show, and you know we always are doing a little something to the Titan, to the shitty titty, and right now we are taking care of something that has been needing attention for a very long time, and that's the seats. The front seats are, the driver's side is all ripped up. I'll show you that in a minute. The passenger seat is kind of hanging in there, so we are gonna go take care of that. And the surprise is Brian has been on me for a long time to get this fixed, and so I'm gonna get this done. He has no idea that I'm doing it, and I just want to film his reaction when he gets into the truck. All right, it's been a couple weeks and the upholsterer has had the passenger seat, and now I'm taking him the whole truck to get everything else done, which was the driver's seat and the armrest. But before I do that, I wanted to show you guys just how bad this seat was. This is what I've been dealing with for a long time. This right here, all messed up, but it's gonna be brand new. So here they are, brand new seats. Came out so good. All this is fixed. No giant hole in the console. Yes. They came out so sick. I love them. Now the only thing left is to see Brian's reaction. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just gonna let him get in the truck and wait to see what he says. He might not even say anything. He might not even notice. But he's been giving me a hard time for a really long time, so I hope he does notice.
Drum roll, please.
I knew he wouldn't notice.
What did I do?
I knew he wouldn't notice. He's given me so much crap over so many years, and he didn't even notice.
You know what it was? Zero expectations. Zero. This is nice.
I can't believe he didn't even notice. But anyway, it's great. I'm really happy the seats are done. That was a whole process getting them done, but I'm really glad they're done. I like doing little stuff to the truck. Just kind of freshens it up and keeps it good because I've had that truck for almost 20 years now. But anyway, we're here at Last Resort. We got the booth semi set up. We're not slinging any merch today. It's Friday afternoon. We'll be slinging merch tomorrow, Saturday. If I haven't mentioned yet, let me explain what's going on with this show. This show is a 3-day show. It's a 3-day run type event. And what that means is people get here Friday and they camp Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's an all 3-day event. Everybody's hanging out. We hang out, we cruise, we get a couple down, hang out with good friends, and have a really good time. So the first truck, one of the very first trucks that caught my eye as soon as we got here, is this truck right here. This truck right here, it's a Mighty Max body drop on these billet wheels. It's just so simple and so clean. I just love it. Like there's a lot of badass trucks here, but sometimes, you know, it doesn't take like the baddest of the bad, the baddest paint, the baddest wheels, the baddest interior to catch someone's eye. So there's a few clubs that come out here strong. They came out strong to this show, and this is one of them. This is No Regrets. This whole area behind me is all No Regrets trucks. But I want to talk about this truck right here in particular. And I think one thing that really draws me to these type of vehicles, just like that, just like the Mighty Max, is simplicity. This thing is just so simple and clean. Simple, clean, perfect paint, nice wheels, super clean interior. This truck's dope. So as soon as I say that what draws my eye is like clean, simple, this thing. This thing, I've seen this truck in North Carolina. I've seen it now here in Louisiana. I saw it at LST. This truck is wild. And this is kind of like the other side of that. Sometimes I'm a bit hypocritical in what I say, and if you watch our podcast, you can see that a lot. Hey, wait a minute. Did I mention we have a podcast? Did you know we have a podcast? Well, me and Brian from Grinder TV, we do have a podcast. So what you do is you go to wherever you find your podcast and you search the whole title of the show, which is The Drop with Frank and Brian. You gotta search the whole title or you won't find it. So go check it out, go give it a listen. We talk about all of the shows that we've been to and shows that we're going to and the scene in general. We also do, so those are the audio podcasts, but we also do a visual podcast, which you can catch those episodes on this channel, the Kustom Life channel, and the Grinder TV channel. We alternate between the two. So go check out those podcasts.
This is Frank from Kustom Life. See, you wouldn't know his level of expertise. You know what I mean? This is Kustom Life. This is Grinder.
Tell me who it is.
This is Frank from Kustom Life.
It's just a light. All right, that's a wrap. We're done here at Last Resort in Louisiana. It was a ton of fun. It was my first time checking out this show. Really glad I came out here. I love coming to Louisiana. I love hanging out with everybody on this side of the country. Big thanks to Stuart and KIK for hosting the event. They did a killer job putting everything together. Thanks for checking out the Kustom Life vlog. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you at the next show. Later.